All right, VISL, huge volume so far, nearly 1 million shares traded already. Not even a minute in, so there's definitely some volume being swung around. Let's see who wins the early battle. CI is trying to rally back here. Pretty decent range so far. They're at around 400,000 shares. Yuma looks like it's ready to go. Let's keep a close eye on them. Some of the cannabis names are starting to perk up early. Uniform X-Ray India November, early buying. There goes CI, guys. 25-cent jump. UXIN, about a 12-cent jump. A lot of volatility in VISL. Keeping an eye on Charlie Echo India. CEI, the big mover from yesterday. Hotel Lima India Tango is also moving. HLIT. All right. Also, keep an eye on Overstock, OSTK, and Riot. They're starting to catch a little bit of a bag. Crypto names. CI. Really volatile. Wow. Like VISL.